Also testifying in support of this ban today was State Senator Christine Drazen, who we should note is running for governor. We caught up with her after her testimony.
The people that want to continue to distribute needles without regard to kids and families and neighborhoods, schools, those folks in this argument, they need to be held in check by the people that are affected.
Senator Drazen was one of the chief sponsors of Senate Bill 1573. It would have banned syringe service programs from operating within 2,000 feet of a school or child care facility statewide. Well, it failed out of a committee that Senator Lisa Reynolds chairs. Drazen is among those blaming Senator Reynolds for killing the bill. Reynolds voted against it in Salem over concerns about its enforcement and did not want it to undermine harm reduction programs. But today, she spoke in support of the county's potential ban.
Public health experts endorse this as a reasonable step. And secondly, we need to think about how we're going to remove needle debris from where programs hand out needles. Today's briefing is a modest but meaningful step. I will be bringing forward similar statewide policy in the 2027 session. I'm pleased to live in the county that is leading the way. We know that this bill is not everything, but it's an important start.
The fact that she came in today and chose to work with the county to advance something is progress. It's late progress. She could have done this during the legislative session. She had the authority to do it then. She should have done it then. We need a statewide policy.
Okay, it's worth noting that Senator Reynolds is currently running for re-election in the District 17 race. We're also hearing from Senator Drazen's opponents in the race for the Republican nomination for governor. Daniel Bethel tells us in part, I understand the desire under the guise of public health to limit the transmission of disease like HIV and hepatitis, but giving out tools to continue to further harm oneself instead of working more diligently to bring people into sobriety is not only misguided, it's directly causing more harm to the addict and the community. Chris Dudley says in part, student safety must come first. In places like Lincoln High School, where students leave campus for lunch and walk past syringe distribution sites, families deserve better. As governor, I will focus on cleaning up Portland and communities across our state by prioritizing treatment, recovery, accountability, and safer streets for families. And Representative Ed Deal told us in part, I don't think the state should be in the business of dispensing syringes and needles in the first place, and definitely not at or around schools. As governor, I would work to eliminate these practices and replace them with proven treatment programs that include accountability.